Hi, welcome back. In this video, I am gonna show how to draw this realistic effect using charcoal pencil. So, let's get started. I am already done with this rough outline on an A3 size paper, and as this was my first time creating such a piece with charcoal, it took me a lot of time to create. So, starting from the left side, and first of all, I'm gonna use this soft charcoal pencil and roughly fill all the black spots. You can use this faded line technique to fill the areas as it will give the dark spots a realistic look in the end. You don't need to press the pencil too hard for the first layer. Just make sure you don't blow the excess charcoal away from the paper, as it will help you with the blending and shading process. Now, use your dry brush and lightly blend the dark portions and shade the in-between portion with the help of excess charcoal powder on the paper, just like this. You can skip this second layering and move to white pencil part. Now, use your sharp tip white charcoal pencil and fill the white portion. Make sure you add these type of lines with both ends faded. And keep the tip of your pencil sharp at all times during this process. And then use a small dry brush to lightly blend or smudge these starting portion lines of white lines. Don't blend the whole line or white portions too heavily like I did here, or else you will have to add them again. Make sure you leave the areas with light values untouched and then blend it with the help of white charcoal pencil for more realistic effect. You can make further adjustments if required using a small dry brush with charcoal powder. And by the way, if you are a beginner and want to learn the basics of drawing, you can join my channel. I am coming up with a complete series from basic to advanced level sketching for beginners. So stay tuned. It takes so much time and efforts to create these tutorials. So please leave a like if you enjoyed this one and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.